In this video, we're taking a look at the OSINT framework. Now, if you finished the course previously, this is a new video. And for those of you who have not finished the course yet, occasionally I might go back in and update videos or add sections with tools that I find that are important. In this case, I really wish I found this when I was building the course because it's actually a really cool website and tool set for OSINT work. So OSINT Framework is a website, as you can see here. It's at osintframework.com, and it's a free tool. So in here it has a lot of different OSINT browser-related tools that you can use. Username, email addresses, domain, IP, social networks, dating sites, telephone numbers, maps, metadata, the list goes on and on. So it's actually a pretty ingenious way they set it up. So as you see here, there's OSINT Framework, and it kind of splinters off to these other sections here. So if I click on username, it splits off into two more sections, username search engines and specific sites. So let's try username search engines. Click that, and it splits off to these other sections, Intel Technique, Tools, that's them, check name, usersearch.org. Let's try that. So we click that, it opens up another site that has a lot of different, it allows us to find email addresses and usernames. So let's try, and in here you see find the person behind the username, email address, or phone number. So let's see how this works. And this is the first time I'm using the site, so I guess we'll see how it works together. So let's try email search. I'm going to type in one of my email addresses and let's see what it comes up with. And if you're running no script like I am here, you probably need to temporarily allow these things to run. So let's try that again. Okay, and let's see here. So there is indeed a account on Flickr for Dispo Games. Flickr, and I think that's probably going to be one of the only things it does find. So, yep. And as we scroll through here, we see a lot of different references here. Exact email may not be found, but we found an email with a similar looking profile. And in order to view it, we just click on View Profile, and we can try to verify that information here. And the page isn't available. So let's close that, and let's see if any of these other ones are live. Nope. So, as you already know, OSINT work isn't a guaranteed thing, so this is just another tool that you can use. So let's close that, and if you want to pull back different sections, because if I start opening a bunch of these, this whole area is going to be really filled up. You can start clicking on these and kind of backtracking. Okay, there we go. Now, there's dark web stuff, tools, and other tools. Let's take a look at threat intelligence. So there's phishing tools, X-Force Exchange, Bot Scout, and again, just a huge variety of tools in here. So I really encourage you to start looking through here, start kind of playing around with this tool. And again, this is just another tool for your OSINT basically tool belt. So web-wise, this is a really excellent tool. I really highly recommend this, and Intel Techniques. So again, this was OSINT Framework. It was just a really quick look at it. I just really want to make you aware of that this is available, and it is a really incredible tool to use to help you on your OSINT searches. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.